to the channel. It's Cryptopip here. I'm just gonna have a quick chat, really, about a new token that it goes to show you in crypto. Obviously, in the crypto space, there is a huge amount of risk and there's a huge amount of reward. Now, we're going to have a look at Lava Cake. Now, Lava Cake caught my attention. It popped up on my Twitter feed. So as you can see here, they're on Twitter, yield farming on the Binance Smart Chain. They got 31,000 followers. So you can obviously have a look. If we see the top trending, let's open this up. So if we look at the top on DAP Radar is very good. If you look at the top trending tokens for each network, obviously PancakeSwap is normally always at the top. Volume wise, the balance is how much is locked in. BuySwap has been doing a lot. And Lava Cake was up there. So I thought, okay, who's Lava Cake? What's Lava Cake about? And if we go into the token itself, or the platform itself, we've got here Lava Cake finance the next generation yield farming on the Binance Smart Chain, anti-well harvest lockup and transfer tax. Okay. All right, so we'll read a bit more about this. I'm just gonna go over this briefly. So straight away, I've noticed it looks a bit like PancakeSwap. A lot of these things are clones of PancakeSwap in itself, anyway. But I can see at the bottom here the market cap is 15 million, which is quite low. And the total lava supply is 240,000. So that's caught my attention because, as you know, I'm attracted to coins that don't really have much supply, especially if I'm yield farming. So yeah, at the moment the TVL is quite low. They've got 9 million locked in. But what caught my attention is on my Twitter feed, someone said that they literally made $1 million off this token, and it went to 12 grand. And I was kind of like, what? So if we go into, let's have a look at Dex Guru, and let's see what they did. So we open this up, get rid of everything else. Let's go to I think that's the 30-minute chart. That's 10. Let's go back. Let's do it here. So if we go to the 4-hour chart, no, let's go out a bit more. So let's go to the daily chart. Jesus Christ. So this coin, I mean, it started off quite, if this is the initial launch here, it came out on the 7th of June. Now, for something that came out on the 7th of June for $1,000, I don't think I would have invested that kind of money in it. It's too much risk. I might have put £100 in it, so bought a little percentage of it, or maybe 250. So I bought 25% of the value of the token. Sometimes what I do is when something's quite highly priced, I don't over exert myself and put too much in it, just in case it's at risk of burn or rug pull or anything like that. So what I do is, I wouldn't have gone in this initially, maybe with 25%. So it opened up at, say, $1,500. It then dropped down to about 9. Price didn't move much. Then we had a gradual move. It broke this resistance here, and it went absolutely crazy. As you can see, this token went up to $12,500 in the space of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. However, that's unbelievable. So if you had just bought, one token here, just at $1,000, you would have literally made 11 grand in a week. I don't even know what to say. But yeah, that's fantastic. So anyway, but as you can see today, which is the 19th today, 20th today. So as you can see today, it completely dropped. Now, some people will be quite scared of this and think, that's a dump, it's a rug pull, it's whatever. We don't know yet what it is, but it could be just a lot of people taking profits. Come on, if you entered here and that got to there and you saw a little bit of resistance, I'm taking money. I'm sorry. And if we look on a 4-hour chart, it was yesterday afternoon where everybody just took loads of profit. However, so let's go again. So with the supply, as it is with this, which is extremely low on the chart itself, are we seeing a resistance with this? I mean, we had quite obviously, a good progression up to nearly $13,000. It's dumped quite a lot. We've got some resistance here at the bottom, and it looks like the chart is trying to pick up again. So could this price at $62 be an absolute steal? We'll probably wait and see if this level here. Let's get a horizontal line. So let's see if this level here is some kind. Let's just make that a bit thicker for you guys. Hold on. Let's make it a bit brighter as well, so you can see it. So let's see if this level here is a bit of resistance. I'm gonna probably set some alerts for $60. If it drops below $60, we may then see price resist. So it could be another level of resistance here at 47, say $47, but also to the upside. It looks like this is another level of resistance here. It's tried for the last couple of hours to break $70 and not been able to. So I will just set my alerts to each of these price points and come back to the chart and see if I'm interested in investing. So if we go to the project itself, they've got a number of pools here. As you can see, the Telegram has 42,000 members, so there's quite a strong community here, as you can see. If we go to the home screen, this is the home screen, and I just want to check the audit. So let's go to something quite interesting. It looks like they've got 5 audits planned. The only one that's been done so far is a tech rate audit. If we go into the audit itself, it was done in June, and everything here passed. The only medium issues was design logic, where they were sending tokens to a dead address. I'm not too sure. I don't know much about that. I'll have to do a bit more research as to what that means. But other than that, it shows no issues on the one review. Okay, it's got one review. It's not much, but it is something. If we go Go back to the platform. Let's go back on the audits itself. So yeah, so that's what it audits, and as you can see, they've got these documentations for us guys to have a look into. Introduction into what they're about. Every transaction will be charged a 7.5% tax fee. Use 8% slippage to buy lava on Pancake Swap or any other AMM, which is fair enough. Transaction of more than 0.01% of total supply will be rejected. Sounds fair enough. They've got a referral program too. If we go over to the road map, we can see there's a lot that's been done already. We're going to introduce lottery, maybe some more marketing on Twitter, YouTube, and some TikTok contests, partnerships, and so forth. Long-term plan is for other audits, new products, airdrop distribution, and listing on major exchange. So, we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that pushes forward. They launched on Friday the 11th, which is fine. So what I want to know more about is this harvest lockup. How does that work? So we use the harvest lockup based on time. Harvest lockup is a unique rewards lockup mechanism used to limit the frequency of the harvest. It's designed to prevent farming arbitrage bots from consistently harvesting and dumping. Okay, that sounds very good. Harvest lockup will be set for 6 days, normally Monday to Saturday, and you can only harvest on a Sunday. You can harvest all earned lava on a Sunday. Before the first harvest, the harvest lockup will be set for 8 days from June the 11th till June the 19th. Harvest lockup will be set at a same time for all farms and swimming pools. So they've got details here of their harvest lockup and the blocks. So today, so if we go back here, the next harvest lockup is in 5 days. What I'm guessing with the automatic burning mechanism and the harvest lockup, it sounds like another project that I was looking at, like Everrise, where they're not allowing more than 2 sale transactions at a time. Is that a lot of these projects are trying to prevent the pump and dump that's been going on a lot in crypto. And obviously if they can do that, it then adds more value to their project, to their coin, and to their initial investment over time, and keeps the price quite steady. Now, if this is the case, and you can, we can lock up for 5 days and harvest every Sunday, and after you lock up for a week, they could disappear and be gone, or they could still be here. We don't know. This is crypto. We there is no guarantees whatsoever. So I might, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but at $62, I might just take some profit from somewhere else and buy a couple of these tokens and just see what happens. Obviously I'm going to wait for my price alerts to hit first, but it's worth a shot. I mean, because if this can get back to here, or even half of here, that's 100x, 1000x off where it is now. It's absolutely ridiculous. So I will have a look into it. But yeah, also you can exchange your tokens here. They've got their farms. The APYs are high, which is good. Obviously, and as the more people go into these, the more they will probably start to go down. I don't really do any farming myself. I'm always more interested in the staking. So as you can see here, the APR for staking BUSD is just over 2,000%. So in one day, is 5%, 5.7% a day. So for $1,000, I'll earn almost one lava a day. In a week, it will be 7, which is great. So looking at this, it's definitely worth grabbing some BUSD or some USDT. So you're not at risk of loss there, and just putting it in and earning some lava. So if you put that in this week, and then next week, you should be able to harvest it. I'm trying to see if you can buy their native token and stake that as well. Here you can, what's this? This is stake lava to earn new token. So you can stake lava here to earn BUSD. So, I mean, that's another good thing, because you could quite naturally just buy a couple of these tokens here, the lava token, stake it, earn the BUSD, go back to your staking pool and drop your BUSD profits into here to earn more lava. That could be the long way, or you could just deposit here, whichever. I might do both. So I might just buy a couple of these and put it into the chocolate pool first of all, and then I might get some BUSD, maybe $100 worth initially, chuck it in here and let it do its thing until it's time to harvest. But yeah, this is just a quick overview of Lava Cake. Obviously, they've got quite a lot of detail here, and the site looks good. They've got good descriptions on how to do things, how to start farming. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you're interested, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.